If your adventurous spirit loves exploring the wilderness by kayaking, then a kayak camping trip is a must to get in touch with Mother Nature. But to pull off the best from a kayak camping trip, he'll need the proper kayak camping gear. And that's why today, we've gathered up more or less everything you need for kayak camping. So enjoy the video on our kayak camping gear list.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
So at first, anyone will need a dry sack to keep their belongings safe and dry during the kayaking trip. Okay, we understand some of you may say, "Aha, thank you, Mr. Obvious." But jokes aside, a capable one like the Sea to Summit Lightweight Dry Sack is something you'll be thankful to carry. A sturdy yet lightweight build makes anyone rely on it while keeping sensitive items and gadgets on the kayak camping trip. In addition, Hypalon's durable roll-top closure and a formidable buckle are present for its perfect waterproofing. The NRS Kayak BILGE Pup is here to deal with those unwanted water on your kayak. Compact design and lightweight construction make it ideal for keeping within the paddler's reach. Then comes its smooth pumping system, capable of pumping 8 gallons of water every minute, needless of any hose. A convenient and worthy one, right? Now, obviously, no one would like to end up in a creek with a flimsy paddle, eh? So keeping an efficient and well-qualified one, like the Pelican Poseidon paddle, is always a wise choice. Its angular blade formation provides enough push to the kayak more efficiently. Then, combining that with its ergonomic shaft, which its user can change from round to slightly oval shape, will deliver a pleasant rowing experience. Surviveware Waterproof Premium First Aid Kit is a go-to emergency first aid kit for any unwanted accidents, whether during kayaking or any camping activity on the campsite. And as you've already guessed, the waterproof carrying case makes it perfect for the kayaking adventure. It may look small, but contains almost every small first aid item like band-aids, cotton swabs, tweezers, head bandage pads, and whatnot. Another gear from Pelican, huh? But this time, it's the Sport Exochill cooler bag to keep all the food items and beer cans chilled during kayak camping trip. This cooler has a perfect shape that fits on most kayak tank wells effortlessly. Guess enjoying a chilled drink in the middle of the lake isn't an issue anymore. Meet the KOALA MAXX from CRUA, and quite literally, it is here so that you can chill like a koala after a long, hectic day of kayaking. This record-breaking hammock isn't only the most feature-rich, but has highest quality materials in its build. Spacious sleeping space, better item organizing capability, and top-notch bug-proof mesh let its users nap peacefully after all the kayaking adventure. Now, the koala will surely provide a great nap after an adventure, but Naturehike Mongar will make anyone comfortable enough for a good night's sleep. This tent features an easy setup procedure, leaving its user with the least hassle imaginable. Moreover, its double layer ensures proper protection from whatever challenge the weather throws. So ready to pack up for an adventure? During the kayak camping journey, no one can go wrong taking the LifeStraw Peak series because of its top-notch water filtration capability. Compact shape of this gadget makes it perfect for carrying in anyone's pocket, while its protective caps on both sides prevent it from getting dirty. An enhanced filtration system is included to deliver the cleanest water from any source. One may not need the MORAKNIV wood carving during kayaking, but preparing a campsite without a worthy knife like that is impossible. This MORAKNIV is specifically made for multi-purpose tasks on the campground. Rugged and durable carbon steel ensures excellent edge retention, while its pointy tip will provide an ultimate piercing capability. Lastly, its top-notch linseed oiled birch wooden handle doesn't only make it look elegant, but gives a proper grip during the most challenging jobs. CLIQ chair, and like its name, the chair itself is also minimal, just like a bottle of water. Now, does that mean it's very flimsy? Guess not, as it stays stable even after putting 300 pounds of heavy load. Got tired of preparing the campsite? Just unfold it like an umbrella and relax. Let's be honest, we all have been in a situation confused about whether to hold the torch or the paddle, right? But that ends with this Spot 350, a bright, powerful, long-running headlamp from Black Diamonds. Now you may ask, why this one? Well, it's for its multiple functionalities, easy accessible power switch, comfortable headband, and many other valuable features. In addition, its various lighting modes and brightness levels make things easier, no matter one's kayaking during nighttime or camping on ground. Depriving from a comfortable sleep after rowing that kayak all day? No issues, as the Sea to Summit Etherlight XT Extreme ensures that, like a pro, its perfect level of thickness, insulation, and innovative pattern air chamber make sure its users proper lumbar support. Etherlight XT's multifunctional valve lets its user inflate it effortlessly and deflate it rapidly. And finally, its perfect weight makes it even more compatible for taking on kayak camping. We think keeping the PERMETHRIN fabric treatment from SAWYER is always a good decision during kayaking. Why? Well, no one knows what kind of environment one's gonna face, and unwanted insect bites are the last thing anyone wants to deal with. This insect repellent is odorless and bonds perfectly with fabric, so you don't feel uncomfortable during your adventure. Its application method is easy and lasts long for those longer adventures. Lastly, the usage of PERMETHRIN doesn't fade away, even in the water, making it an ideal choice for kayak camping journeys. So that was our video on Kayak Camping Gear List and everything you need to know for kayak camping. Thanks for watching. Feel free to review your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.